Before streaming dominated our living rooms, before movies were just a tap away, two technologies defined how the world watched films. One relied on magnetic tape, the other stored data with lasers. Their rivalry marked the end of one era and the beginning of another. This is the story of VCR versus Blu-ray. In the late 1970s and throughout the 1980s, the video cassette recorder transformed home entertainment. For the first time, people could record television programs and watch movies whenever they wanted. Video rental stores became weekend destinations. Shelves lined with VHS tapes offered thousands of choices, turning movie night into an event. But the technology had limitations. Magnetic tape wore out over time. Rewinding was a ritual everyone knew. Picture quality slowly degraded with every viewing, and the bulky cassettes demanded plenty of storage space. Even so, the VCR became a cultural icon. As the 1990s came to a close, DVDs changed everything. Digital video meant sharper images, instant chapter selection, multiple audio tracks, subtitles, and no rewinding. For many, it felt like the future had arrived. But technology never stands still. In 2006, Blu-ray entered the market. Using a blue-violet laser, Blu-ray discs stored far more data than DVDs. The result was crystal clear, high-definition video, richer colors, and immersive surround sound. Movies looked closer than ever to their theatrical releases. Special features expanded with interactive menus, behind-the-scenes documentaries, and high-capacity storage that made previous formats seem outdated. The differences were dramatic. A VCR offered convenience for its era but sacrificed image quality. Blu-ray delivered full HD video, superior audio, durability, and instant access to scenes without waiting for tapes to rewind. Yet, nostalgia tells a different story. Many collectors still treasure VHS tapes, not for their quality, but for the memories they carry. The sound of a cassette clicking into place, the excitement of visiting a video rental store. The imperfections became part of the experience. Today, both VCRs and Blu-ray players have largely been overshadowed by streaming services. Movies now arrive instantly through the internet, but physical media continues to have devoted fans. Collectors value Blu-ray for its consistent picture quality and ownership. Others preserve VHS tapes as pieces of cultural history, reminding us of a time when every movie night began with choosing a cassette. Technology moves forward, from spinning reels of magnetic tape to lasers reading microscopic data, and now to invisible digital streams. The VCR taught the world that entertainment could happen on our schedule. Blu-ray perfected the home cinema experience. Different generations, different technologies, yet both changed the way we watched movies, and both earned a permanent place in the history of home entertainment. Formats may disappear, devices may become obsolete, but the memories they create last far longer than the technology itself.